What up, Pop?
Oh yeah,
that's right. That's
I get
right.
around.
We get around.
Still clown with the underground.
It's us.
When we come around.
It's us. Hey, little mama. Come here. Yeah. Round and round. We get around like a donut. Hey, you. It's my song. Hey, little mama, what you doing? We can hit the town. She said, I heard about you. You get around. You been around them chicks that just gossip, huh? That sit around and talk about my dick, huh? Might get some new friends, cause them bitches there ain't going nowhere, so make them disappear. Listen here, don't let them jealous hoes confuse you. Don't let my past interfere with your future. I think that you should just roll with me. Spend the whole day with me and at night come home with me. We grown and we know that we both wanna be alone and get it on to the morning. See, I know you wantin' that, but you gon' front and act. You ain't the type of girl, where the fun in that? I know you heard, but you should see yourself. Don't cheat yourself, treat yourself. I get around.
Stronger
It's my song. I know they watching, they peeking and clocking. I'm going harder than them all, and I ain't thinking about stopping. I'm peeking and dropping, hot shit after hot shit. I'm getting figures, you bitch niggas could gossip. I'm not a crip, I'm not a blood, but I'm a thug. I'm the realest nigga alive, word to mama love. I'm above the bullshit the suckers talk. The game is fucked up now, and it's the suckers' fault. I'm on the court where these niggas say they ball at. Niggas that really play ball, don't recall that. I fall back, cause fake is the new real. And since that's the deal, niggas is too real. If you still think trapping is a fad, acting trappers is trap for life. Trapping cause they had nothing to eat, so nothing is sweet. We hustle day and night, so we stuck in the streets. Nothing can beat the feeling when the man feed his kids. So fuck it, it is what it is. I'm on a mission where the rider's ambition is me. Against the world, I'm gathering ammunition. Dear mama, I shed so many tears, so much pain and changes for so many years. If I die tonight, pour a little liquor for me. Baby, don't cry. And to my little homies, this is the realest shit I ever wrote. Picture me rolling gangsta party, yeah. And let them know I'm troublesome till I stop breathing. And I'm against all laws until I'm even. That's right.